Hello everyone, Damiano Colori and Nora, the successor of Cora. Let's see today why we say being jealous and not being warm. You know that we derive directly from the indeterminacies of the origin that we can call source, nothingness, transparency, zero, infinity, freedom, and we can also give it many other names. Among other things, source also means association, so we derive by association. Here, for example, we have the plane of numbers. Here we have the plane of colors. And here the plane of temperatures. And here are other planes that I haven't separated. Now we all know that blue is cold and orange is warm. Here, of course, I mention only some of the correspondences that I wouldn't say infinite, but countless. Cold and hot are two opposites, so we have placed a line of separation. One is actually on the left, and the other is actually on the right. The system is simple, associative, so cold. Feeling mind. Mind has a cold mind. Mint is cold. Feminine cold. Yes, okay. These are mostly feminine characteristics. Warm, passion, strength, desire are instead mostly masculine characteristics, no? Things are as they are and not for another reason. In fact, here we could put equality as such. So from the associative system, we recall that the feeling is cold, which is why you say to be jealous. You don't say to be warm, which is its opposite. Obviously, as I mentioned to you, everything else also comes back. That is blue, for example, means mine and is childish. Not by chance the number one will also be young. Here we are already moving towards old age. And instead, regarding orange, we have that it means he is already towards the indicative yellow.
So mine, jealousy.
Children say mine, children say mom. Yeah, the feminine is younger if we want, also more childish. The masculine leans towards old age, which is more out here beyond the curve. In short, we understand each other. Things are as they are, and the feeling is indeed cold, so one says to be jealous. Yes, well, while walking, it also came to mind that cold means to retreat. It means to go towards the dimensional, and indeed the concept of dimension is on the other side of the curve, while the source is dimensionless. That the shape connected to blue is a dark circle on a light field, which therefore gives an idea of descending. So withdrawing, entering, descending again, give a sense of, how can I say, of possession, of mine, of jealousy. On the contrary, towards passion, we will have an expansion, or not a withdrawal, a masculine expansion, right? Understand? Here, however, look for the suitable associations yourselves and find the coincidences, the congruences yourselves. If you like the video, I ask you to click like or share it. You would also help a system of interpreting reality that starts from peace. Blue transparency, blue peace.